It is Friday the 24th of September 2021 and that means it's new iPhone day in the UK and I've got one. I do actually have two in the house because Vicky's got one, but this is mine and I have gone for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is the 256GB model. The 1TB model was ridiculously expensive, so I think this is a happy medium. So for those who've watched this channel for a long time will know that I'm very much an Android boy. I've had pretty much all of the Samsung Galaxy range from the beginning of time, and I did once own an iPhone. I think it was an iPhone 4, and I had it for about 6 months and I didn't really like it. Now obviously the iPhone has come on leaps and bounds since then, and I did borrow an iPhone of some description from 3 a couple of years ago, and I must admit I was tempted by one, but yeah, I just carried on down the Samsung route. But I thought, let's give it a go and delve into the world of the iPhone. So I've got my shiny iPhone 13 Pro Max, so I thought I'd show you it being unboxed and then me setting it up. Now I think I do have some kind of iTunes, iCloud, Apple-y account, but I'm going to set this up completely from fresh. I don't want any sort of old apps or anything like that. I'm just going to set it up as someone who's never used an iPhone device before. So yeah, I imagine if you know your iPhones, you're probably going to end up screaming at the screen and going, why is he doing that, idiot? More so than usual. But, you know, I'm just sort of guiding through as if I'm someone who's never really used an iPhone before. So yeah, it should be interesting, hopefully. So what we've got to do first of all is get it out of the box. Here it is in the box. You know, there's not much you can say. It's quite a thin box. Now these don't come with chargers anymore. I know that for a fact. They come with a charging cable, which is the lightning cable to a USB-C connector. So that's fine. I've got plenty of USB-C receptacles around here. Oh, that's quite a satisfying pull. There's probably a man at Apple who's paid a lot of money just to get that smooth pull. There we go. And hopefully we should have a nice blue iPhone. There it is. It's quite bug-eyed, isn't it? Like those cameras are really sticking out and looking at you. I think there's 3 12-megapixel cameras. They've all got certain different focal lengths and all that kind of stuff, and they work together. And there's some sort of LiDAR sensor, I think, that sort of is good for low light photos. I have read the specs, I just can't remember all that much of them. So there we go. Okay, so we've got this bit of paper or card protecting the screen, handily telling us that the mute thingy is there, volume controls are there, and the power button is there. To be honest, I'm quite grateful that they've said that because I don't really know much about iPhones. And at the bottom here, we've got the lightning connector, microphone, I think, and speakers. It feels really sort of weighty. You could probably hurt someone if you smacked them around the head with this. Not that you should. So what is in the rest of the box? Okay, so we've got the lightning to USB-C cable there. I think that's about 1 meter, if memory serves me correctly. And then what's under here? Little designed by Apple in California thing. And just got a SIM removal tool, safety information, and one of those stickers, you know, you can stick it on your computer and pretend you've got an iMac or something. I don't really understand the point of those stickers. They've sort of been shipping those with iPhones since, well, the beginning of time. But yeah, I don't really understand the point. So that's the phone. I guess we should strip it. Well, I'm kind of glad it's not too shiny and reflective because you just see a camera pointing down at it. But yeah, there is the phone. So let's get the SIM card tray out and pop my SIM in. And then go from there. Okay, so the SIM seems to go in chip side up. Quite exciting. Ooh. Let's move this out of the way. So I can't screen record this sort of initial setup process. Hello. Hello in another language. Okay, so English. Regional country, United Kingdom, yes. So this has got a new 120 Hertz screen. So basically the screen refreshes itself 120 times in a second, which makes it very smooth and everything like that. But it has got a variable refresh rate. So if you're looking at something static like this quick start page, then the screen refresh rate just completely drops. And that basically saves you battery life. So yeah, we're going to set up manually because I don't have another device nearby. So we'll choose the Wi-Fi network. May take a few minutes to activate your iPhone, okay? See, what you don't know is Vicky's actually working on the floor behind me. And Dougie's sort of stood next to her, stressing out. So there she is. And Dougie's next to her, stressing out, wondering why the hell she's on the floor rather than being sat down like a normal human being. Okay, so data and privacy. This icon appears when an Apple feature asks to use your personal information. You won't see this with every feature since Apple collects this information only when it is needed to enable features, secure our services, or personalize your experience. Apple believes privacy is a fundamental human right. So every Apple product is designed to minimize the collection and use of your data. Take that, Google. That's very nice, Apple. Thank you. I feel happy. Right, okay. Face ID. iPhone can recognize the unique three-dimensional features of your face. I mean, the size of my nose, it does have quite a few three-dimensional features. So yeah, we can continue. We'll set up the Face ID. Okay, so I've got to put my face in the camera frame and set that up. I can't really show you that. There you go. First Face ID scan complete. Oh, I've got to do it again, put my face in. There we go. Face ID is now set up. Good. Create a passcode. Okay. Passcode has been created. Excellent. Now, as I said, I'm not going to transfer anything. I'm just going to start afresh because I've got loads of crap on my phone that I don't want to transfer from Android. So I'm just going to say don't transfer apps and data. Right. There we go. So it's going to verify me. Yeah, terms and conditions, they're all fine. So now it's creating my Apple ID. There we go. Keep your phone up to date. Get the latest features, security and improvements by updating iOS automatically. That's fine. Yes, I'll enable location services. That's fine by me. iCloud keychain. Keep the passwords and credit card information you safe, secure and up to date on the devices you approve. Yeah, that sounds good. Siri. Yeah, okay. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Good, I'm glad. I'm getting bored of doing all that. Right, next. Okay, I can press and hold the side button to talk to Siri anytime. Might just have a chat with her. Yeah, that's fine. Screen time. Get a weekly report with insights about your screen time and set time limits for your apps you want to manage. Yeah, all right. Analytics, yeah. You can have my analytics, Apple. App analytics, yeah, why not? Give it out, it's fine. What do I want? Do I want light or dark? Oh. I'd say dark. Oh, that's good, I like that. Okay, display zoom. No, that's sort of old people mode, isn't it? Yeah, it's all right. I'm getting on, but I'm not getting on that much. Okay, welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. Well, this is my iPhone. I mean, yeah. Okay. Oh, it's a whole new world. I've really got no idea where to start with this. It's kind of exciting because I've been buying Samsung phones for so long, even though they do improve year on year, you don't get that kind of new phone excitement, I guess, because you know where everything's going to be. The camera's slightly better, the screen's slightly better. But yeah, I'm sort of like in a whole new world now. And I've just got to sort of try and figure it all out. And so I've got all my passwords saved in like Google Chrome. And so I don't know how that's going to work on this, getting up all the stuff over, because I've got so many passwords, and because I use the secure passwords that Google Chrome suggests, I don't know my passwords, so it's not like I can just recall them. So yeah, that's a sort of small barrier to overcome. Yeah, so I'm not going to spend the rest of the video floundering around going, oh, I don't know what's going on, because that is probably how I'm going to be for the next couple of days. So what I'll do is, if there's anything you want me to check out, or you're interested in looking at, then please do drop a comment below, and I'll investigate. If you want to see video samples or picture samples, then I can do that. That's fine. I think that's probably the best way to play it. And if there's like a feature that you think that I'll really like the look of and really enjoy using, then please tell me in the comments and I'll investigate it. I am going into this completely blind, so any help would be helpful. So yeah, I'm going to start having a little play with this and see how I get on. I've got a screen protector I've got to put on. I'll probably do a separate video with that. I've got a case. There's not very many nice cases unless you want to spend 60 quid on an Apple case at the moment. So yeah, I've just got to get my head around it all and try and figure it out. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon for some more vlogging fun. See ya!